I have two more examples on the break-even type problems. Every time we're trying to figure out what it's going to take to break even, we know that we have some sort of profit and we have some sort of expenses. This one talks about a model airplane club. They publish a newsletter. The expenses are 90 cents for printing and mailing each copy. So 90 cents per copy, plus they spend $600 in research and writing. The price of the newsletter is $1.50 per copy, so that would be their profit. We want to know when the profit and the expenses equal each other. So we're going to set them equal to each other and go ahead and solve. So subtract 90 cents off both sides, which gives me 60.60x equals 600. Divide by 0.60 on both sides to come up with our answer of x equaling 1,000. So we'd have to make 1,000 copies in order to break even. And I guess I should say these are newsletters that we're talking about. So we'd have to sell 1,000 newsletters in order to break even. Last example, we're going to have our profit and our expenses again. We invest $10,410 in equipment. Each game costs $2.65 each to make. We're going to sell the games for $20 a piece. How many games are we going to have to make to break even? So we're going to set our profit equal to our expenses. We have to make quite a few games because that equipment was rather expensive. Do have a large profit margin, meaning we're making a large profit off of the game. We're going to make $17.35 on each game. And we're going to divide by $17.35 to come up with 600. So we'd have to sell 600 games to break even, to pay for our equipment and the cost and the expenses from the cost of making the games.